Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use Sonico Study to improve use of the internet in the classroom. From the teacher interface, I can click Web Browser and open my Internet Explorer here. And if I click on one of my students, I can show you what's happening on their screen as well. So here you can see that I have opened the Internet Explorer for the student as well. Going back to my screen, you can see that I have two additional functions here, send and follow. So if I go onto a web page, I can send this web page to my students. So instead of typing long strings on the blackboard in front of the class that this class needs to then fill in on their own PC, I can send this page out to my students. They will get it and then can work from there. Additionally, I can go into a follow mode. And in follow mode, the student no longer has the ability to put in an address themselves. They can also not click on hyperlinks. So wherever I go, my students will follow along with me. Okay, so if I just go here, you can see now on my student page as well, they have come along with me and are following and only able to look at the pages that I open for the whole class. Or also I can do this individually for each group or for each individual student specifically. If I now close this down, go out of web browser, I can show you here an additional web browsing activity. In this case, I can select to have either an open policy or a strict policy. In open policy, I need to define which pages are not allowed for students to visit. I simply type in the web page here, add that, and students will no longer be able to surf on that page. Additionally, I can save these denied web pages. I can also load them up so that I can have various policies as well. Additionally, I can have a strict policy, and in this case, students are only allowed to go to the pages that I deem appropriate for them. And I will add those pages into here just as I did with my open policy. And again, I can save these pages and save these different policies. When I click Start, the students will now only be able to work with those pages that I make available. Last but not least, I always have the option under PC Control to disable Internet, which will not allow the students then to work with any web browser or to use the Internet at all. That blocks all ports and all applications. That's it for web browsing. Thank you.